ActiLearn.
Number strips or place value strips help children to understand the number system and how numbers relate to one another. Number strips have multiple uses. They can be used when children first discover and understand numbers. It is easy to explain the concept of place value, tens and ones, and number formation. It can be used to teach regrouping in addition and subtraction concepts. Additionally, it can also be used to teach counting in multiples as well. ActiLearn's Number Strips is a fun hands-on activity tool that encourages children to think, learn, and play all at once. Let's see how Pranav and Kritan learn number formation using ActiLearn's number strips. Display the number and form the number using strips.
38. 3 10 8 ones. 10 20 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38.
Display the strips and identify the number.
Ten, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44.
Play skip counting in fives and tens. Wasn't that super fun? Help your child explore the concept of place value and number formations with ActiLearn. Check out the description box to enquire or to place orders. Thanks for watching the video and do join our social media community. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.